Welcome to the Macbook Air Take-Apart Guide. The Macbook Air is different from any other MacBook as it is the world's thinnest laptop. Notice how thin it is compared to the iPod Touch. The body is as thin as the iPod Touch, and the trackpad is as big as the iPod Touch's screen. Also, notice compared to a Motorola Razr. The body is as thin as the screen on the Motorola Razr. Also, you will notice a tiny iSight camera. You will also notice at the top, left and right audio microphones for stereo sound. You will also notice the trackpad, which is wider, which allows for multi-touch.